Welcome to another quick review from Ultimate DIY. Hey guys, have you ever tried to install a dryer and you really struggle? You have to keep pulling it out, going back there, trying to get the clamps on nice and tight. They pop off. It's a struggle. You end up with lint everywhere. You end up with all that heat and moisture in your home. You need something like this. This is a product made by ALORAIR, and it literally stops all of that. It stops the frustration of trying to hook it up. It stops the excess lint, and it stops the moisture in your house. And how it does that, it's a magnetic system. We're going to open it up and take a close look. We're going to hook it up here on a table so that you can kind of see how it actually functions. And we'll see just how strong the magnet is, because they claim once you get it hooked up, you can just slide your dryer back and it will automatically find that area and lock in. So we're going to kind of play with that and see how well that actually really works. It also saves you room because you don't have all that crinked up line. It stays straight. That helps an awful lot so you can get the dryer further back. Now you may be asking, okay, so what's the big deal? We get a little lint. If you don't keep that lint cleaned out, you run the possibility of having a fire. I'll say it that way. This makes it easy to pull your dryer out, unhook it, clean out the line, make sure there's no lint buildup in it, and then put it back. The next thing it's going to do is, like I said, it's going to keep that moisture and heat out of your home. You don't have to air condition that and try to get it out. It's going to actually take it outside through the vent. So let's take a look at the product. It's going to come in a nice little box like this. You're going to break it open, and you're going to find you have several parts. We'll talk about this in just a second. This is the actual line itself. So they even give you the actual hookup line, which is pretty much traditional. And this is the problem generally when you try to put this on and put it on your actual dryer and you're pushing it back. It does this. It does the accordion thing and binds. The way we're going to do it with a magnet, it should stay straight like this. And if anything, it may move sideways a little, but it keeps you from losing that space. Now, they're going to give you some clamps. We're going to use this on the dryer side, and they give you the actual piece that goes on the wall. Let's see how strong it is. It's a very strong magnet, and I can tell you that if you're not careful, it will get your fingers. It's that strong. They have a little 3M piece to keep them separated. This is the part that will go on the wall. Now we'll look at the bag. The actual bag has some anchors if you were anchoring this into drywall, or screws if you're going to go into wood. I'm going to save this so that I can mount this at my dryer. I want you to see how it works here. So we're going to just use some regular screws to mount it into the plywood. Now, normally at your dryer, you're going to have a metal collar that sticks out of the wall. You're going to work that collar, this inside of the collar. So it'll be a nice tight fit in the wall, in the collar. And you're simply going to take this thing and you're going to slide it back. And wait, let me point this out too, guys. It does have a really nice rubber ring that goes around it that helps it seal all that heat and moisture in. So if you do end up with a slight leak in the wall, it's not going to be in the home. So we're going to take it, slide it in, get it into place, and then I would simply use the screws they gave me and screw it in. Just like that. Just like that, you would actually have it mounted on the wall. Like I said, if it's drywall, drill the little anchors in, and these are self-tapping. They actually are swirled, so you'll just take your drill bit, put it on the anchor, drill that in, and then put your screws in. So super easy. You don't even need a drill bit. So once that's mounted, you're going to move to the actual side that goes to the dryer. So this is the magnet that goes to the dryer side. This is the hose. This is very much a traditional hose. If you've ever hooked up a dryer, you're going to recognize this right away. You would have two clamps, a hose, and that's it. None of the magnet exists. So you're going to stretch this out so that you can get it over that end. You'll have your clamp. I've already placed it on right here. And by the way, the clamp you can use a screwdriver or you can use a nut driver to tighten it up. Nut drivers work a lot easier sometimes. But I'm going to show you a screwdriver because I know almost everybody's got a screwdriver at home. And you simply work it on And this, by the way, is the painful part you would be dealing with if you didn't have the magnet, and you'd be reaching behind your dryer up over the top trying to do this. And that's where everyone gets frustrated and irritated. It can be painful even trying to do it here and get it started. You can imagine reaching over the dryer. Now the nice thing is I can get this really tight because that metal is super strong. Now you would simply take the other one and you would do it just like that, and you would put this on your dryer, but your dryer can be all the way pulled out when you do it, and you tighten it down. And then you will simply have it just like this, and we are going to slide the dryer back up against the actual magnet on this side. So let's go ahead and do a little testing and see just how well that works. Okay, so we're going to pretend like we're sliding it back, and I'm going to purposely, the first one or two, do it straight on so we see how well it grabs. And then we're going to try it off center a little bit and see how well it grabs. So we've got it this way. I'm sliding it back, and I'm going to pull it up so that you can definitely see. And I'd tell you what, you're not even probably 6-8 inches away, and it is pulling like crazy. It is very strong. Let's do that again so that you can see about how close we get. I already feel it pulling right now, and I'm a long ways away. I mean, very, very strong. All right, so let's try it now. If we were sliding back and we were not directly lined over, let's see how well it lines up. I'm going to come in from the side. And it is trying to pull forward. It automatically pulls itself over. I'm going to hold it back here so you know that I'm not doing that. Actually, let's go this way so you can see. Get anywhere near it, it automatically pulls right into place and locks itself. Let's do it one more time. So even if it doesn't quite grab and you're off, you'll rock your dryer just a little, like I'm right here right now. I'd rock my dryer just a little, and it's going to move it right into place. That's really awesome. So overall, guys, I think it's a fantastic system. Now, this is the same company that makes all the big house dehumidifiers. And I'm sure they made this with the hopes of stopping that humidity that ends up in the house. And that's one of the things I watched a lot of the reviews and no one's talking about. They talk about the possibility of fires and lint, which is true, but no one is addressing the fact that this is going to stop that humidity. And it is very well made, and the magnet is extremely strong. So if I even try to pull this now, you notice it's on there good. Even if I slide it back, it's going to push itself up and accordion in. So as I get closer, it makes it extremely easy to lock in. All right, guys, so if you're wanting a really good dryer hookup system that's going to save you a lot of aggravation, it's going to allow you to pull the dryer out, clean out the lint, it's going to stop that moisture and heat problem that you get from your dryer, and it just hooks up extremely easy without all of that stress and strain and getting upset trying to get your dryer installed. I don't think you're going to go wrong with this system. Do yourself a favor, pick yourself up one today. We'll see you guys on the next review.